Alright, we're back again. Instructions, which will go here. Okay, now, how do I get this big guy out? And where do I put it? Okay. 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 Oh, stop it. Stop it. My cat wants to play with everything I got here, so. Power supply. 230, and it should not be 230, should be 110. And I will take care of that right now. And 15, rather put you right here. I know you think you're helping, but you're not. You think that's going to be for you, big guy? Your box? He loves that stuff. Alright, get back to putting this puppy back together wherever the camera is. Alright. Get out. Try and get this thing taken apart so to see what's inside here. Okay, that's stopper motor. And attention. And all of the other stuff in there. Got another, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, let's get this out. And there's my helper again. And the other stuff I need. Belts. Other things. Screws, nuts, bolts. Another little motor here. And this is special. It's going to take a while to put this puppy together. Meantime, get all these puppies out. I'll put that over there. I'm thinking this goes on top. I'm not really familiar with this. And of course, the power cord. Anything else inside the box? Negative. Okay, now I will put this back in here so my cat can get in there and play. what she likes to do. Ooh, they got a little sharp to it, just like they always say about them. Do you mind? Break it before I put it together? Boy, you are curious. Okay, now, that's that. I do not know if I have to hook that up to the computer or not. I'm not sure. But let us get this out. Andrew 3 English. I think I have to hook this up to the computer to find out more about it. Let's actually get the right type of card here. Yeah, camera. Yeah, it goes in there. That's okay. It's cool. Alright. I got to get some more. Oh, I took his other box away from me. Anyway, that is the card for instructions and everything. I don't know. I still got to read the instructions a little bit further. So I'm putting this back inside here for safekeeping. And okay, this is gonna be fun. Alrighty then, that is is this the part I'm looking for? Probably is. Yes, it is. It is. I said, well, I'm just going to let it go with that. Got a fan in the back, fan in the side. Okay, it looks like we are about ready to go here, people. You like your new box, kitty? He's all enjoying himself. Okay, now it's back to these guys. Instructions for assembly. Okay, sensor, priority 30, technology LED. Toll free, probably going to be somebody in China, to which I have no clue about. Okay, it's going to be a little wobbly-dobbly there for a few. Just pictures, that's all. See? That's all this is. Nothing but pictures. Okay, the demonstrations by use are available on the FT card. In other words, machine equipped with security protection. Do not manually move the okay. First, I really don't feel like doing this today, but if I need, I shall. Okay, it looks to me like everything is ready to go here, except for right now, I got a headache. Everything is out here on the table, And you leave it alone, Mr. Kitty. You like in the box, don't you? Yeah, he does. That's nice and comfy for him, soft. Fits him just fine. Now we'll show you something what he